All right, 9:39. We're gonna speed run a code review. Source code is right here. You're on this playlist here. For a longer explanation, go here because we ain't got no fucking time here. In the bomb area function section within BOMAREA unit test main, we have aliases map spark laser jackson box for these unit test arrays spark laser jackson box. These are monkey wrench macros for misspellings of what's going on up here. Okay, this is going to be our 16 by 16 simulation map. This is our input output key for seeding the simulation and also checking to see if the outcome of the simulation here is correct. Okay, A is for assert. These are monkey wrench macros. This is an index for killing / erasing our tile map to run another mini simulation, and then mini simulation X and Y. We're going to loop through every single bomb category index because we have 4 simulations to run, 1 simulation per bomb category, okay? So our input output key is going to be taken from the unit test array lookup table and then put in the correct bomb category. 1 simulation per bomb category. Here's the input output key for this category of bomb simulation. And then the simulation tile map is this allocation of memory. We do this so that we don't get the garbage collector pissed off. Here we're just air checking and making sure that for the enumeration we're currently on, we have the correct input output key, okay? We're gonna kill the original simulation by erasing all of the tiles, and then we're gonna loop through every single tile in the simulation, and we're going to seed the simulation with the origins of the bombs in the input output key. Then what we're going to do is we're going to simulate all of those bombs on the simulation map. We're going to simulate them exploding. Then once we've simulated them exploding, we want to make sure that the cavities left by the simulation match the input output key. So we're going to loop through every single tile, and we're going to check the simulation map against the current input output key, and we're going to do that here. And that's the basic idea of what we're going to be doing. Okay, and then we have what we did previously, and we have our footnotes, and we have what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation of what I'm talking about, you're going to have to go to the 10-minute video. I do not have any fucking time here. Tech demos are here. A 1-hour tech demo is here. The source code for this video is here. Ways of getting a hold of me. And the license is do whatever the fuck you want. I'm not your boss, okay? So do whatever the fuck you want with this engine. My name's Kanji Coder. I am making Bomberman on steroids. Like and subscribe.